Good morning viewers. Now after long back I came with a new video and an interesting video. It is all about unboxing a book. My father bought this book for me. The book, it's a surprise. Guess what's the book name? I'm gonna cut it now. Wow, surprisingly we have one more cover inside. The book name is Secret Portal. Guess what's the name? It's me. I wrote this book in Bribooks. Step 1. How to write a book in Bribooks. I'm going to tell now. Step 1. You should class you so many categories. You can pick any category, but I have choose magic. And step 2. You have a background section which you can select backgrounds for your books. And step 3, you can write your book, but you can't press the cross mark. Why? Because if you press the cross mark, then the page will be erased. And step 4, the date will arrive is magical. Why? Because on that day you will feel so much proud, same like me. Now I'm gonna show you two pages of the book. The first page and the second page. I will not show you the rest of the pages. Why? Because you already know the full story. That's why I will not show you. And you will not buy. Please give a review and a 5-star rating. Friends and viewers, if you want to buy the book, I will share the link below. You can go to Bribooks in Google and you can buy it. Thank you.